In this video, I will show you how to make e-commerce website in Odoo. In order to do this, head over to odoo.com and let's head over and then create in your website. Choose in here this e-commerce option. Then from there, you can select in here any apps that you want added for that. So for this one, I'll head over then just add in here this e-commerce option. After that, just enter your details. I'll head over and input mine. I'll click on start now option right. Now, once you have done that, it should be able to redirect you to the links page of the Odoo tutorial right here. So it will welcome us from there. So next thing we gotta set it up. Commerce store, and then input right here and enter a color palette that you this. Then I'll add in here some pages. So for example, let's add about a shop, live chat, then store locator, pricing as well, and then click on this. Once we have done that, it will redirect us to the build for our website and choose a theme. I'll choose, and it will apply the colors and design for a particular theme. So in here, just wait for that to finish. Your database while your website is actually, so just wait for this to finish. And in here, you can see welcome for our right here. You can invite your colleague, and then you can go particular website that you have in here. So here, as you can see, here is our actual website, and it's